How to sign into Chevron Employee account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in Chevron Employee Login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Go ahead and click on this one website option. Access Workday, chevron.com. Open it. You will be directed to this page. Now click on the option of Access Workday. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. Go ahead and type in the email address, phone number or the Skype number and then go ahead and click on next. Now you will need to type in your password. In the case you have forgotten the password, you can click on this option to recover it. After you type in, click on sign in and just with that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily sign into Chevron Employee account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.